like to introduce our race type of machine. Air cylinder going up and down in humidifiers. This machine has three types. This one is 4 TWs motors. Motor is in here, and we already put this safety covers in here. Now I would like to introduce how to set up the machine. Now here I would like to introduce how to connect the power line. This is ground line. This ground line should be connected to ground. And this one is L1, L2, L3, and this is N9 here. So you should connect it on the switches like this. Okay? 好，暂停。Now I would like to introduce how to connect the air lines here, connect the air source and here. So this is very easy and very quickly to connect this. 暂停。Here you can check the air pressures here. This one is normal ones here. 好，暂停。This one is the VFI. This one, and here is the switches. 让开，你要让开。Now I would like to introduce the these switches. This switch is here, like this, and here, and I can switch the lobes here. The cylinder will going up, like this. Okay, and then I can you move it in the middle positions. It will like this. And if you want to go it down like this, okay, yes, like this. So you can also change the humidifier speeds like this. You can lower this one, and here is running. The lights were light. That means the VIF is working. 可以出去，可以出去。And then you can change this one. 看那里 change this lobes, the speed will changes. And you can see the noise. There is no noise for this machine, very good quality. Okay? And I can also slow down it here. 那里 So the motor is stopped, and all this materials touch the materials is SS316 materials. So it is very good for the products, for the materials. So thank you for explaining to you. OK， 可以了。